Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the live preview in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a presentation and select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down to the bottom of the menu where it says Options and go ahead and select that. Now at the top left, there should be a General button. Go ahead and select that. And then over on the right panel, it should say Enable Live Preview. Go ahead and make sure that it's checkmarked in there if you want to enable it or disabling it just to uncheck it, basically. And select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.